Hello everyone, welcome back again. In this tutorial today, we are going to start a new discussion on HTML colors. So quickly, let's get started. HTML colors. HTML colors are specified with predefined color names or with RGB, HEX, HSL, RGBA, or HSLA values. Color names. When they ask you what is color names, in HTML, a color name can be specified by using a color name. Like, for instance, you can say a color name can be tomato. This will be the tomato color. You can see this looks like tomato. This is orange, Dodger blue, medium sea green, gray color, and so on and so forth. You can see slate blue, violet, light gray, and many more. HTML supports 140 standard color names. So firstly, today we are going to discuss about background color and many more. So background color, you can set the background color for HTML elements such as hello. When you write the hello in the tag, this color is inside the opening tag of the h1 tag which wrote this hello. Then we give it background color like Dodger blue, like this. We give it this color Dodger blue. So let's continue. So this place, as you can see, h1 color, h1 tag, like I told you earlier, this is the opening h1 tag and the closing h1 tag. The opening h1 tag will have the style HTML attribute along with the background color property from CSS, along with the Dodger blue attribute, the Dodger blue color from the HTML. I want you to get the point. This h1 tag is from what? Is from HTML. The opening and closing h1 tag is from the HTML. The style tag, the style attribute, is from the HTML, along with the background color, background property color. This one is from CSS property. CSS property. Dodger blue. The Dodger blue is from HTML. The HTML Dodger blue color. I want you to get the point very well. So I'm trying to explain clearly like this so the people following me can understand the deep science behind all this in the future when we get to advanced technology. So this one is Dodger blue from the HTML. This one is background color from the CSS. This one is style attribute from the HTML. This one is h1 from the HTML. So quickly, let's give each other example. Let's copy this to make our work fast. Open our HTML folder by right-clicking and open it. Click on the index file. We are using our index file. Let's right-click it and open it with our Firefox to see what is inside. We want to see what is inside our HTML index file. This is what we have inside it. So all this, we want to give it background color. You see, when I'm highlighting, you can see something like background color there, but this one is not stable. It's not a stable background color. So In the future, we will discuss on how we can do this, but we want a permanent background color for our text. So, and also we can put a permanent background color to our this document. Like this complete document can have a permanent background color. We will change it from white to any other color we want. So quickly, let's continue. From here, we said we want to use background color and we want to use Dodger blue. So let's come back to our document and open it with our VS Code. Right click and open it with your VS Code, our Visual Studio Code editor. In our second tutorial, we have discussed about how you can use the Visual Studio Code, how you can install it. If you don't know how to install it, you can go back to our second tutorial of this series so you can know how to install it. So quickly, I think we are inside it. So right now, firstly, what we want to do, let me delete this, save it, and see how our document looks first. See, it's 3. We are having 3 paragraphs here. Firstly, we want to change the second paragraph here. We want to change the background color from white to any other color we want. So this is the second paragraph we are having here. As you can see it clearly, this is the second paragraph we have here. This is the second paragraph. So we will change this one by using the style attribute from the HTML along with the background color, background property. Background color property from the CSS along with the Dodger blue color from the HTML. I think you are getting the point. So we will save it and let's see how our document looks. Go back to your Mozilla browser and let us reload it. Wow, you see it works. Yes, you see it works. It's different to all this one. You see it works. So again, let us change all these text. Also, let us change all the colors, all the background colors. Let us give each of this paragraph, let us give it different colors. Like this first one, we want to give it color red. Let's give it style attribute from the HTML, background color property from the CSS along with the red property from the HTML. From the HTML RGB, we will discuss about RGB in the future. So let's just continue, save it, and see how our document looks. Can you see? This is a new topic on HTML comments. No, this one is not HTML comments. Let me change the comments. Let's see. No. HTML comment. This is not HTML. We are talking about background. Let me name it BK colors. Okay, colors. Let me save it and see how it looks. If you see, all this will change automatically. You will see. Can you see? This one is background color. So now it looks nice now because we are talking about background color. I want you to understand this. Background color. No, I want to do something. I want to highlight and do something. Let's see. So sorry. So I want us to understand this very well. This is a new topic on BK colors. You can see. So Let me zoom my browser. You can see how it looks very well. You can see how it looks. They look different. So we will use color green here. We will use color green here. Let us change the third one to color green. So we do this from the beginning, from the starting tag. We give it style attribute, background color green, RGB green. Quickly, let us reload our document. Can you see how it looks? It looks nice now. It looks different. So let us change all the colors. Let us change the background color of the whole page right now. Let us change it. Let us change it from white to another thing. Let us change this place, this background here, from white to another thing. What color? Which color can we use? So to do that, we are going to use our body. We are going to come to our opening body tag and write style background color. This is the benefit of using Fiasco. You can see when I'm typing it, it will automatically generate the code for us. So right now, what are we going to do? We need a unique color. Let us use aqua color. Aqua. Yes, I think this spelling is nice. Let's save it and reload our document. Everything we change now. Can you see how it looks? Now, I think it's nice to see this. So anywhere you go, let's say again, I want to do something like maybe in between this space, I want to change the color of this topic. I want the color to change only. We can just write anything like span, but don't let us do this today because we have not talked about some tags yet. So we'll discuss more about some tags more. So let us just leave it for now, like from here, because we can do much with this background color we are having here. In the future, I'm going to show you many advanced features on this that we can do. So I wish you can understand it very well. Let us stop here today. So I wish to meet you next time. Once again, my name is Anwar, akorede, ayofe. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.